On Raglan Road of an autumn day, I saw the first thing that heard that care would weave a snare that I might one day rue. I saw the danger and I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawn of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where could be seen the worth of passion's pledge, and the Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay. Well, I love too much, and by such is happiness thrown away. I gave her gifts of the mind, I gave her the secret sign that's known to the artists who have known the true gods of sound and stone. Through work and stint I did not flinch. Well, I gave her poems to say, with her own name there and her own dark hair, like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street where all ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel wills the clay, he'll lose his wings at the dawn of day. When the angel wills the clay, he'll lose his wings at the dawn of day. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Thanks for all the comments. Hope you enjoyed the interval. We'll see you next Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.